Hello everyone, welcome back to the CubeWP channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new login page in just a few simple steps using CubeWP. Let's get started. First, we need to create a new page. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. Click on Add New to begin. Now that you have a new page, it's time to select the template. On the right side, find the Template drop-down and select the CubeWP login template. This will ensure that your login page has the proper layout and design. Next, add a title for your page. You can name it something like Login or User Login to make it clear for your visitors. Once you've set the title, go ahead and click on the Publish button. This will make your login page live on your website. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a shortcode, you can simply add the following shortcode to the content area. Left bracket, CWPLOGINRIGHT bracket. This shortcode will also generate the login form on your page. After publishing, head over to your website and navigate to the new login page you just created. You should see the login form ready for your users. And that's it. You've successfully created a login page using CubeWP. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.